Hey guys, today we're going to be reading Sailing by Denise Hayes. Ray hopes it does not rain. He runs on the wooden dock. Jay is waiting for him. It is after 8. This little sailing ship will carry the two animals. Jay tells Ray it is about to rain. Let's wait a while. Ray states, I'm not afraid of rain. Let's go. Jay explains, let's stay safe. I will check this sail. Sails have names. This sail is the main. Jay tells Ray, when will we sail on our way? Asks Ray. Ray grabs the rope. Just then, rain drips on the ship. Wait, Ray, let's give up. It is raining, yells Jay. Jay picks up Ray. Let's wait for the next nice day. Ray states, this is a shame, but I will wait. The end. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. For more videos like this, hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, and leave comments down below. Until next time.